Welcome to video 3 of the sample funnel of My Fun Life. In the previous videos, you saw that we created sales page 1, sales page 2, a couple of autoresponder templates. I created a 3-message autoresponder campaign. Now what I'm going to do is finish up the rest of these pages, and these two are very critical because the sign-up page is very important because you want to make sure that the people using your funnel have the ability to get credit for someone else that's signing up for this marketing system funnel, this custom funnel that you're creating. So you want to include a sign up page in the share code that gives them credit for anybody else signing up. And I'll show you how to do that, and then the getting started instructions. I created a list of instructions on how to take a share code, upload that share code, and basically get started. It's going to save you a lot of time. You just need to go through that page and make your custom changes. So let's start there really quick with the getting started instructions. So I'm going to assume that you've already uploaded that share code into your back office, and you've got the pages in that share code waiting for you in your website section. So assuming that's true, you're going to hover over websites, hover over web pages, and click on copy web pages. And the one you're going to make a copy of is right here, called generic instructions for marketing system. So just click in that circle, make yourself a copy, and then what you want to do is label this very clearly. And I'm going to call this My Fun Life Getting Started Instructions. Okay, and the title tag, that will work, looks good. So once you've labeled it and you're satisfied with the title tag, just scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. And you don't need to edit the background. Go ahead and click Edit Text. And what you're going to do is you're just going to carefully read through this entire page here and make the necessary changes. So the first thing I notice is right here, scroll through list of companies and find. This is where you're going to put what they need to find. So in my example, they need to find My Fun Life -1. So I'm going to copy this because I have a feeling I'll be using it a few times. Okay, so highlight My Fun Life 1 and click Save. Paste and save in this URL. Okay. Now, this is the URL right here that you need to make sure that you've got on this this page here. So go find the getting started URL that you have used or that you're going to use for your outside website URL. And for my example, it's this one right here. This is the getting started page for My Fun Life. That's the one I'm using. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to come back to this page and I'm going to paste that right here. Click OK. All right, so now I've got this. I don't like the way that turned out. I'm going to turn that font over to Arial. There we go. And then I'm going to make this username. I'm going to put the username, put some yellow around that so they can see. All right. Now what it says is be sure to swap your member ID number in the URL above. So actually that's not a member ID number. So I'm going to change this to say your username. Okay, be sure to swap in your username in the URL above. Okay, now right below that, these generic instructions are assuming you're using 2 outside website URLs. If you were, you would just continue to make your changes here, but since I do not have a second outside website URL that I'm using for this funnel, I'm just going to delete that. Come up to step 3 here. Okay, let me go back and copy My Fun Life -1. I'm going to continue using that code. Okay, on step 3 here, if this is very important. If you don't know what your share code is going to be yet, that's okay. Come back and make sure you get the proper share code right here under step 3. That is absolutely critical. And you're going to put it again right here. You've got to give the share code in your directions, otherwise all of this is for naught. Okay, coming down here, again, you're going to put your share code there. Okay, step 4, get yourself the domain. And, you know, look for things that are in bold. I tried to bold things that are going to be important for you to change. Okay, here's another one. Step 7, scroll down and select the XYZ company funnel. So this is giving them instructions on what they're going to see when they've uploaded that share code. In other words, they're in their website section and they're looking for the name that you're going to name your funnel. So you always want to name your funnel very basic what it is. So this is, you know, exactly what it is. My Fun Life funnel. So you're just going to put the name of your company funnel. So when you create your share code and it's asking you to name your funnel, make sure whatever you name your funnel is the same thing you're putting here for step 7. And now that I'm done, I'm going to click Save Changes. I can view it. That's it for this video. In the next video, I'm just going to tie everything together. I'm going to show you how to basically connect all the dots, create the share code, and that's it. You're going to be well equipped to go out there and create your funnel and give that share code to anybody, and they're going to have a great system.